the rule of adding powers in multiplying numbers of the same base. We know that 3 to the power 2 times 3 to the power 5. At first, 3 to the power 2, that means 3 times itself, and 3 to the power 5 equals 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 5 times, equals 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 equals 3 to the power 7. That means 3 is multiplied by itself 7 times. 3 to the power 2 times 3 to the power 5 equals 3 to the power 2 plus 5 equals 3 to the power 7. Generally, if A belongs to that difference set of 0 and N and M belongs to that positive, then A to the power M times the same base A to the power N equals the same base to the power M plus N. 3 to the power 2 times 3 to the power 5, the same base, right? 3 times, and add the first power to the second power, 2 plus 5 equals 7. That's to say, the product of numbers with a common base raised to powers equals the common base raised to the sum of the powers. Example 2. Find the value of each of the following. A. 3 to the power 4 times 3 to the power 2. Solution. 3 to the power 4 times 3 to the power 2 equals 3 and 4 plus 2 equals 6. 3 to the power 6 equals 729. B. Negative 5 to the power 2 times negative 5 to the power 3. The same base, right? Negative 5 times the sum of the first power and the second power, 2 plus 3. Negative 5 to the power 2 plus 3 equals negative 5 to the power 5 equals negative 3125. C. Negative 4 to the power 4 times 4 to the power 2. Negative 4 to the power 4 equals 4 to the power 4 because the power is even. Then the integer is positive times 4 to the power 2, the same base, and times right 4, and 4 plus 2 equals 6. 4 to the power 6 equals 4096. D. 8 to the power 2 times negative 8 to the power 3. At first, write 8 to the power 2 times negative outside the brackets 8 to the power 3 because the power is odd number. And positive times negative equals negative. The same base, write 1, 8. And 2 plus 3 equals 5. Negative 8 to the power 5 equals negative 32,768. Second, the rule of subtracting powers in dividing numbers of the same base. We know that 3 to the power 6 over 3 to the power 4 equals, at first, 3 to the power 6. That means 3 is multiplied by itself 6 times, and 3 to the power 4 means 3 is multiplied by itself 4 times, equals 3 times 3 equals 3 to the power 2. 3 to the power 6 over 3 to the power 4 over, that means divided, equals, write the same base, write 1, 6, 3, and subtract the first power minus second power. 6 minus 4 equals 3 to the power 2. Generally, if a is an integer and a not equals 0, n and m belong to that positive, and m is more than n, the first power is more than the second power, then a to the power m over a to the power n equals, write a and m minus n. When dividing numbers with the same base, raised two powers, we subtract the power of the divisor from that of the dividend. Example 3. Find the value of each of the following: a to the power 7, 2 to the power 7 over 2 to the power 4. Solution: 2 to the power 7 divided by 2 to the power 4 equal the same base and division. Write one base, 2, and 7 minus 4 equals 3. 2 to the power 3 equals 2 times itself equals 8. b. Negative 6 to the power 3 over negative 6. Negative 6, that means negative 6 to the power 1. Then negative 6 to the power 3 minus 1 equals negative 6 to the power 2 equals 6 to the power 2, positive because the power is even, equals 6 times 6 equals 36. Now we come to the end of our lesson. Thank you so much. Goodbye and see you in the next lesson.